in-process cabinet that's going in one of the drawer boxes, vans. But I'm gonna build some drawer boxes and I'm gonna show you an easy way how to do it. I'm using 1/2-inch ply for the walls of the box. So just get some 1/2-inch plywood, rip it to the height that you want your box to be, and then use the table saw to cut some grooves 1/2 inch from the bottom of the box. So this groove is gonna be 1/4 inch wide by 1/4 inch deep. And whenever you're ready, that is actually gonna fit a 1/4 inch piece of plywood for the bottom of the box. It's gonna just slide right into that groove. So once you have all your pieces cut, I'm gonna actually glue this 1/4 inch bottom into the grooves because it'll just stick better, and there's also a lot of vibrations in a van, so I don't want it rattling around. Gotta keep it tight. All right, so glue the grooves and then just slide that piece on in. And then glue the edges of your joints. And then I'm just gonna nail the joints together. And there you go. I don't have the drawer sides yet, so I can't install them, but it's as easy as that, y'all.